Banking should feel secure, not stressful. Yet most people get this wrong by choosing banks based only on promotions. The surprising truth about CapitalCrest Bank in 2026 is how much it prioritizes long-term trust. CapitalCrest Bank is a digital-focused bank offering checking, savings, and money management tools with an emphasis on financial discipline. Account setup is fast, and the interface is designed to keep users informed at all times. One standout feature is its spending control system. Users can set daily or weekly spending caps, receive alerts, and even temporarily lock discretionary spending. You won't believe how effective this is for preventing impulse purchases. CapitalCrest Bank also supports automated savings rules. For example, a percentage of income can be moved into savings instantly when deposits arrive. Over time, this builds financial buffers without conscious effort. Security is another strong point. Real-time fraud alerts and transaction confirmations add peace of mind, especially for users who prioritize safety over aggressive growth. The main drawback is limited lending and investment options. CapitalCrest focuses on protection and stability rather than expansion. In conclusion, CapitalCrest Bank in 2026 is still worth it for people who want control, security, and disciplined money management. If you want more honest breakdowns of modern financial tools, don't forget to subscribe. Title start Future Fund Finance Review 2026. Is it still worth it? Title the end script start What if the biggest mistake people make with money isn't spending too much, but waiting too long to plan for the future? Most people get this wrong, but here's why future fund finance keeps showing up in conversations in 2026. Future fund finance is designed for people who want structure without complexity. It positions itself as a long-term financial planning platform that blends saving, budgeting, and gradual wealth-building tools in one place. From the moment you sign up, the platform asks simple questions about income, expenses, and future goals, then builds a personalized roadmap. One of the most talked about features is its goal-based planning system. Instead of generic advice, Future Fund breaks goals into timelines. For example, saving for an emergency fund looks very different from saving for retirement, and the app treats them accordingly. You won't believe how many apps lump everything together and call it a plan. Future Fund Finance also emphasizes consistency. Automatic contributions are scheduled around your cash flow, not fixed dates that can cause overdrafts. Even small weekly contributions add up. Statistically, users who automate savings are far more likely to reach financial goals than those who rely on manual transfers. Another strength is transparency. Fees are clearly outlined, and projections are conservative rather than overly optimistic. This avoids the false sense of security many finance platforms create with inflated numbers. However, Future Fund is not built for aggressive traders. There are no high-risk investment options or fast gains. It's designed for people who want steady progress and fewer surprises. In conclusion, Future Fund Finance in 2026 is still worth it if you're focused on long-term stability and realistic financial growth. If you value clarity over hype, this platform delivers. Subscribe now for more honest reviews that help you make smarter financial decisions.